Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the search engine Google shared a very interesting Google Doodle and celebrating the Kim Sowell's 118th birthday. Today friends, this doodle has been illustrated by guest artist Yusong Lee, honors the 118th birthday of Korean poet Kim Sowell, whose beloved 192 lyric poem The Ageless Chindale is widely considered a masterpiece of the form. Celebrated for his contribution to early modern Korean poetry, Sowell composed many poems in the familiar cadence of traditional Korean folk music, which added to the board of popularity of his work. Kim Sowell, he was a Korean language poet famous for his contribution to early modern poetry. Throughout his life, he wrote his poignant poetry in a style reminiscent of traditional Korean folk songs. The most prized example of this style was Aslius, the title poem of his sole collection of poetry, friends. If we talk about his life, Kim Sowell, whose real name was Kim Joang-sik, was born on 7th September 1902 in Kawaksan, North Pyongyang Province, and died on December 24 in 1934. Shortly after he was born, his father became insane. This fact must have affected the poetry's early life and eventually led to his own premature death. He worked as the manager of local office of Dong Elbo newspaper. Though his poems continued to appear there, their quality deteriorated and Kim's life descended to habitual drinking and a reported suicide in 1934. In 2007, he was listed by the Korean Poets Association among the 10 most important modern Korean poets. In 1920, Joang Sik published the first poem in a literary magazine, after which he assumed the pen name Sowell, which translates into White Moon. While still a high school student in 1922, Sowell published his famous work, The Azaleas. This melancholic poem of love and loss inspired the colorful burst of azalea flowers that surrounds his portrait in today's doodle artwork. You can see in the today's doodle. He went on to compose over 150 literary works and in 1925 published his sole collection of poems, also named The Azalea. Sowell's lifetime of heartfelt composition cemented his legacy as one of the Korea's most treasured poets, and to this day many Koreans can recite his poem by heart. The annual Seoul Poetry Prize, established in 1987 in Kim Sowell's honor, is considered one of the most prestigious awards in Korean poetry. One famous quote, I want to read Kim Sowell quotes. When you leave, weary of me, without a word, I shall gently let you go. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Happy birthday, Kim Sowell. He will be remembered always in the blessings of people. Thank you for watching.